Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the Daily Stock Market, and today we're going to be talking about a few different things. We're going to recap some stocks that absolutely exploded for us. A lot of us have had success on RKT. If you're in the close friends group, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be sharing some of the success that a lot of students have had. Today we are down overall $163. We are up $163 at one point. But in the week, we still are green, which is the good thing. And the goal, we're up almost $1,000 in the week. And we're almost up at $1,400 at one point. And then make sure you stick around towards the end of the video too, because we're going to be talking about some add money to plays that you might not want to miss that absolutely dipped today, because there have still been some dips today. It's been split in the market today. A lot of stuff has been going up consistently, but as you can see, a lot of stuff has been going down also. So let's talk about some add money to plays. But first, let's talk about RKT. So RKT is a rocket today, guys, up 68%. Wow, look at that. We've been buying this stock in the close friends list for the last 2 months. So it's really awesome to see this play paying off for a lot of people, which we'll get into in a second here. What you'll see is I have a $1,000 market value, and we're up 100% on our position. So we doubled our money, basically. RKT, I have a trailing stop loss set for only 7 shares at a 10% stop loss. I put that on my close friends list also, so you are getting some behind the scenes access right now to what we talk about. All right, guys, and we have over 50 DMs, or probably more, honestly. So unfortunately, I can't share them all, but here's a couple that I do want to share with you guys. Up 80%. Thank you. I don't even have to do much, but follow what you do and it makes me money. Sorry, I had to let you know it's now up over 100%. Here's another one. So when you are part of the program, you can ask me questions too. So, hey, with this position, start pulling and reinvest and stay with a smaller position, correct? Or set a stop loss. So that's why this program helps so many beginners too, because you'll see I'm up 80% on RKT. What should I do? I only have 3 stocks. So then I can reply based off what they sent me. Bought at $19, up 81% total gains on it. So here we have another one. I'm not sure about today, but I made over 79%, and that was at 10:53 a.m. So probably up a lot more now. And I don't know if you guys want a video where I show like all 50 different responses, but yeah, I'm obviously not going to do that. So this will be the last one. So you'll actually see I say heck yes, because this guy sends me a couple different contracts that he took out, and he's up over 140% on some RKT contracts. So that's the good thing about the program too. I tell you what I'm personally doing, and if you have a little bit more experience, you can take it into your own hands and do with what you want with the information. So for example, I said I was buying RKT, and Lorenzo ended up actually taking out some options. So you don't have to follow exactly what I do. I'm just here to steer you the right way. But ultimately, you have to make your own decisions. And he said expiration date is 2023. Would you hold for another year? Or would you sell one contract? I only have 2. And I said I would sell one, honestly. Lock that in. Congratulations, 140% gain is always okay with me to take some money off the table and minimize risk. That's what it's all about. So smack a thumbs up on this video if you agree with that statement. And reach out to me in the DMs. Also, if you want to be a part of the group and a part of my private list where I post exactly what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm buying, how much I'm buying, and the reason why I'm buying too. Now, I also have a video program if you're a beginner where it tells you step by step what I look for and how to set yourself up for success, how to find a budget, how much you should be spending on the stock market based off how much money you have. And then you can also get daily access to me. So if you need to ask me questions or comments, concerns, you can DM me a couple times a day, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you with a response every single day. So if you want that more hands-on. But guys, enough about the success that we've been having. I am just excited. Let's get right into the add money to plays coming up this week. Okay, so the first stock that I'm adding money to right now is going to be Switch, ticker symbol SWCH, and it's down 13% today, and it's down 12% in the week. And guys, I usually don't show my close friends list on my YouTube, but today let's kind of take a look at it because these are some of my add money to plays, and that's what the video is about. But we won't be doing this very frequently at all. So if you want to make sure that you get the close friends list every single day, so that way you can actually turn on notifications in real time and see what I'm buying. So for example, like this one said, bought 5 more shares today during the dip for a long-term hold on this tech company. Overall, I really like this one for a 6 to 12 month hold. This was posted 5 hours ago. As you can see, the stock was down 12%. I'm not buying extremely heavy on this one, but I think it's a great one to dip your foot into, especially if you are looking for those cheaper stocks at the $15 range. Now, the next one I added money to today was Fastly, ticker symbol FSLY. This one is a little bit more risky, but we just got the notification, CCIV down 10% today, guys. But if we look at Fastly, you can actually see they're right at a very common support, and it even goes as low as 65. So anywhere between 65 and 70 is going to be a great buy, especially if we do the resistance and support. I mean, look at it. It's just been following this resistance and support for an extremely long time. So I am currently adding money to this position. I think I bought like 1 share today and might even buy another one tomorrow if it continues to go down closer to 70 to 65. And if it goes as low as 65, I'll probably be buying a 3rd share. I don't want to get too big of a position on this one because it still is a little bit more risky. But I think at $65 to $70, you really can't go wrong. So you guys know I love taking advantage of dips. I love it. That's one of my favorite ways to invest. So all the ones we talked about on this list are down today. That's why we're talking about them. They're add money to plays that you should be adding money to right now, not really looking for like a price alert or a where it should be at. These are like you can add money to them today, tomorrow, whenever, as long as they don't go up a ton. As you can see, the next one on the list is XPEV or XPing. Depends if you're calling it by the ticker name or its actual name. And it's down 38% in the past month, guys. This is a huge EV company. And from its all-time high, you can actually see that it's down more than 38%. Obviously, it's down 50% from its all-time high. So in my opinion, this is I looked at the balance sheet, the income statement. It looks good, guys. All we need to see is some deliveries, and we need to see them competing with NIO. Obviously, NIO's a lot bigger than them, but I think that this is one in the next 6 months, 12 months that can 2x, in my opinion. So that is why I'm adding money to XPEV today and probably tomorrow also. And staying with EVs, we have CCIV on the list next, down 10% today. Let's actually buy $100 worth right now. Just to show you guys, these are add money to plays right now. And from its all-time high, you'll actually see it's down 52%, Churchill Capital. Remember, this one's going to actually be merging into Lucid soon. So it'll have a new ticker symbol, and it won't say Churchill Capital anymore. But the market value you have will be converted to Lucid Motors. All right, guys, this is a great one to add money to. Hopefully it can go lower. You know, I'm wanting this one to go to as low as $20 or $17, $18. I don't know if it will, because this is a long-term hold that people are not realizing. I know Lucid Motors, was a lot of drama behind them, especially right now. They're saying that their deliveries are going to be projected way, way lower in 2021 than they originally thought. I think it was like really low. Like it was embarrassing numbers. I think like 8 times lower or something crazy like that, what the delivers they're going to be delivering this year in 2021. So that's probably why they are dropping 10%. You also might want to look into this one. Also, if Lucid Motors backs out for whatever reason on the merge, the SPAC, then it can be risky. So you don't want to put too much money into this one yet. But buying at $27, in my opinion, you really can't go wrong if you plan on holding this one for 6 months or 12 months. If you have diamond hands, this one's for you. But if you don't, then if you're looking for short terms, and if you're going to cry if it goes down 10% or 15% more and not hold the long term, then this stock is definitely not for you because it's extremely volatile. All right, the next add money to play is NIO, and it's at $45. Anything under $45 is a buy, in my opinion, down 20% about down 30% from its all-time high, guys. This is one that you want to be taking advantage of. Even if you're a swing trader, I think that this one can easily go back up to $50. Bang, make your money back very easily. Go up to $60. So definitely have NIO on your list for right now. And if it goes below $40, that's why I'll be buying a lot heavier. Around 35 to 40 is the sweet spot for NIO. But even at $43 current price is an add money to play. All right, and the last add money to play on this list, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smack a thumbs up. And if you want to see more add money to plays, make sure you comment below, because a lot of the times we do price alerts and we talk about buy zones and price zones, but we don't really talk about stocks that we should buy like right now that are ready. These stocks are absolutely ready to pop, and Zoom is the next one on the list, down 8% today. And as you can see, it was just down and it was just up. So this is going to be a swing trade. And in my opinion, you can swing trade it above $400 to $450. And if this one goes to $330, that's when you want to buy the heaviest, because the support is right around $330 to $340. So make sure you're keeping an eye out from that. From its all-time high, it's down 30-40%. So in my opinion, our target is about a 20 to 30% swing trade on Zoom. And you'd probably have to hold this one anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, depending on what is going on and how hot the stock market is. But with the upcoming stimulus, guys, I'll say it again, it's going to boom the stock market. So make sure you're buying the dips. And this video is all about dips. The last video is all about dips, because that's the kind of investor I am. I love buying dips and riding high and making money off the dips. Now, with the stock market, if you get that $1,400, which you should be getting actually in the next month or 2 months, 30 to 60 days, you should be getting your $1,400. Make sure you're not spending it on dumb stuff and partying and alcohol and video games and things that aren't going to get you to that next level. Because remember, we're all about leveling up, getting to that next level, becoming better versions of ourselves. So with that being said, make sure you invest in the stock market with that $1,400, and make sure you invest in yourself with that $1,400. Because if you don't have the right tools or you don't have the right mindset to get to your goals, it's not going to work. So if you're trying to get to point A to point B, which is becoming a better stock market investor, reach out to me on Instagram and I will be happy to help you out. So guys, I hope you did enjoy that video. Smack a thumbs up if you appreciate it. Leave a comment below and share it with a friend if you think that they can find some value in it too. And here's my Instagram one last time if you guys want to reach out to me. Are extremely filled up, so reach out to me and I'll put you on the wait list so you'll be first in line when I open signups back up. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. And remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.